All right, folks, let's talk about making DataStage run like a well-oiled machine. First, choosing the right configuration files is like picking the best shoes for a marathon. Comfort matters. Then buffer memory and partitioning need optimization, or things slow down like a traffic jam. Disabling unnecessary column propagation. That's decluttering your code Marie Kondo style. Finally, efficient data sorting ensures your pipeline doesn't turn into a chaotic pile of records. Ready to fine-tune this beast? Hi everyone, I am Catherine Scott, and for over 12 years, I have helped businesses like yours harness the power of ERP systems to unlock their full potential. Today, I want to walk you through how our solution doesn't just meet your needs, it anticipates them. Think of it as your business nervous system, intelligent, responsive, and always working for you. Let's dive into the technical magic behind it, because when you understand how it works, you'll see exactly why it's a game changer. Configuration files aren't one size fits all, they need to match your data load. If you pick wrong, it's like wearing flip-flops to a mountain trek. Using parallel processing wisely ensures efficiency, but overdoing it is like adding too many cooks to the kitchen. Monitoring resource consumption avoids the dreaded system meltdown. And don't forget to adjust node allocations. It's like seating guests at a dinner party, no one should feel cramped. Imagine DataStage is a highway. You want smooth traffic flow, not congestion. First, buffer memory settings must be adjusted properly, just like setting the speed limit to avoid crashes. Next, partitioning techniques help divide tasks efficiently, so no one is stuck behind the slow lane. Balancing system load avoids CPU exhaustion. Think of it like distributing house chores fairly. And preventing bottlenecks. That's the secret sauce for making your data pipelines run like a dream. Runtime column propagation is great when you actually need it, but leaving it on unnecessarily is like keeping all the lights on at home when you're not in the room. Turning it off speeds things up, reduces metadata clutter, and stops redundant processing. Imagine baking cookies but checking the oven every 30 seconds. It's unnecessary. With this tweak, your jobs will run smoother, faster, and keep your sanity intact. Picking the right method for combining data is like choosing between a car, a bike, or a jet. Depends on the distance and fuel costs. Join works great when data is small. Lookup is decent for mid-sized datasets but eats up memory. And merge thrives with massive data if sorting is done first. The goal: speed and efficiency while keeping your system happy. Ever packed a suitcase with things you never use? Excess metadata slows processing the same way. Clean it up early so the system doesn't waste time managing unnecessary baggage. A streamlined approach improves efficiency and keeps your job design neat. Nobody likes messy code. Staging is like prepping ingredients before cooking, makes everything smoother. Hash files are quick for small, repeatable lookups, while sequential files handle large, ordered data efficiently. By staging first, we reduce the load on the database and make retrieval faster, so our process doesn't turn into a slow-cooked meal. Fine-tuning these settings is like choosing how much coffee to brew. Too little and you're inefficient, too much and things spill over. Array size controls batch efficiency, while rows per transaction ensures stable commits. Balance them wisely, and you'll keep the database humming without bottlenecks. Imagine stacking books neatly versus throwing them in a pile. Sorting first makes the next steps faster. Aggregator loves pre-sorted data because it minimizes computation time and memory usage. Get the sorting right, and aggregation will run smoothly like a well-organized library. Keeping extra columns is like carrying 5 suitcases for a weekend trip. Why? Get rid of them early. Fewer fields mean faster processing, lower memory use, and less strain on storage. Travel light, compute faster. Creating indexes is like bookmarking your favorite book passages. It helps you find things faster. Work with DB admins to structure them smartly. Too few and searches take forever, too many and overhead costs rise. Strike the right balance, and queries will zoom like a well-tuned search engine. Optimizing DataStage is like getting the best mileage out of your car, smooth, efficient, and built for the long run. Apply these tips together, reduce overhead, and ensure scalability so your jobs don't slow down when workloads grow. Let's power up DataStage for peak performance. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.